In this video, we'll be testing out iOS 16's remove photo background. Now, I saw this on the Apple event and I thought that this was a really unique feature. So iOS 16 is here, so let's actually test out that feature. So first things first, you need to have your image, and what they did was to actually long press on the subject of the image, and as you can see, we have a little bit of animation. So if we should, wow, so that actually highlights the dog perfectly, as you can see there. So basically what this will do is to cut this from the image and create a PNG file. So we could actually share it from here. And once you've shared it, you'll have the option to save the image. So if you select save image, that will create a fresh PNG for you, as you can see here, or you could simply share it to someone else. Now let's try it with another image. So simply long press and it will automatically highlight the subject of the image, and you'd be able to cut the image from here. So let's select copy and let's go to iMessage and let's paste the image. And as you can see, that created the perfect PNG. So we could simply send. And yeah, that's basically the remove background feature on iOS 16. I think this is really cool. This is a really unique feature. I like this one. So you could save it as a PNG, or you could actually share it with someone on social media or wherever. So that is it. iOS 16 remove background, or remove the background of a photo. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.